Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Transit-350. The Transit-350 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, power windows, tachometer, panic alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.